Welcome back to LuxVan, your home for the most extraordinary and luxurious motorhomes on the road. And today, we're exploring one of the most unique and visually striking motorhomes ever created, a rolling masterpiece that looks like a grand architectural mansion mounted on a powerful truck platform. From the very first glance, this motorhome feels less like a vehicle and more like a mobile estate, blending old-world elegance with modern engineering in a way that instantly captures attention. Starting with the exterior, this motorhome is truly in a league of its own. The deep red finish gives it a regal, almost royal presence, standing out dramatically against any landscape. The design takes inspiration from classic European architecture, with mansion-style elements, sculpted details, and layered structures that resemble a luxury residence rather than a traditional RV. Built on a heavy-duty multi-axle truck chassis, it delivers both visual drama and serious road stability. The extended length and multiple axles ensure balanced weight distribution, while the bold front grille and modern lighting elements blend contemporary automotive design with timeless luxury. Large windows wrap around the structure, allowing natural light to pour in while offering breathtaking panoramic views, whether parked by the coast, mountains, or countryside. Stepping inside, the interior continues the theme of grandeur and refinement. The moment you enter, you're greeted by an expansive layout that feels warm, spacious, and unmistakably luxurious. High ceilings, detailed craftsmanship, and premium materials define every inch of the cabin. Rich wood finishes, soft-touch leather seating, and elegant decorative accents create the atmosphere of a private villa rather than a motorhome. The main living area is designed for both relaxation and entertainment, featuring plush seating, ambient lighting, and a seamless blend of classic styling with modern technology. The kitchen area feels like it belongs in a high-end home, complete with full-size appliances, generous counter space, custom cabinetry, and intelligent storage solutions that make long-term travel effortless. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the bedroom offers a truly indulgent retreat. A large, comfortable bed sits at the center, surrounded by refined decor and carefully designed lighting that creates a calm and luxurious sleeping environment. The windows frame stunning views, turning every morning into a scenic experience. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring premium fixtures, a spacious shower, and elegant finishes that rival those of boutique hotels. Every detail inside this motorhome is designed to ensure comfort, privacy, and a sense of permanence, making it ideal for extended journeys or full-time luxury living on the road. When it comes to performance, this motorhome is built to handle its impressive size with confidence and ease. Under the hood, it's powered by a high-performance diesel engine engineered for heavy loads and long-distance touring. The advanced automatic transmission delivers smooth gear changes, while the reinforced chassis and suspension system provide a stable and composed ride. Air suspension technology helps absorb road imperfections, ensuring passengers enjoy a calm and comfortable journey even on uneven terrain. Modern driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, stability control, advanced braking systems, and multiple camera views make driving this massive motorhome far more manageable than its size might suggest. In terms of pricing, a motorhome of this caliber sits firmly at the very top of the luxury spectrum. With its bespoke design, architectural exterior, premium interior materials, and heavy-duty engineering, prices are expected to start in the high six-figure range and can easily exceed $1 million, depending on customization and features. This is not a motorhome designed for casual trips, but for buyers who want a statement of exclusivity, elegance, and freedom. It's a symbol of luxury travel without compromise, offering the ability to explore the world while carrying the comfort, beauty, and prestige of a grand home wherever the road leads. If you enjoyed this incredible luxury motorhome review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to LuxVan, and stay tuned for more unforgettable machines that redefine life on wheels.